Okay, this is the Figgy Note 11 Pro. This one has 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, the Helio P22 Android 10, a 5200 mAh battery, and these are what our camera specs are. A 6.55 inch display. And that is pretty much it. And okay, interesting presentation. There you go. Okay, so first impressions, does feel a bit plasticky. Figgy, designed for Note series. Okay. So this is supposedly the black version, but I see like slight hints of purple, which I like. But yeah, this is a plastic phone. The sides are a bit jarring in your hand, so it doesn't feel that good. But yeah, in the box, the ejector tool, get a pretty long one. And what's this? A TPU case, not bad. And a charging cable, USB-C, and our charging brick. This isn't even from Figgy. Feels very light. I wouldn't trust it. Wow, look at that display. I mean, it's not the best LCD, but the bezels are very impressive. So yeah, I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. So we have a rear-facing fingerprint sensor. It's pretty recessed into the body, so it's not that hard to find. Not that hard at all, actually. And yeah, same setup like any other phone. And there we have it. Alright, so the phone is all set up. So the Helio P22, it's not the fastest chip, but it is pretty quick, gotta admit. So I couldn't find a face unlock on this phone, so we're just gonna test the fingerprint unlock. Actually, not bad at all. Alright, so the fingerprint unlock is very fast. Wouldn't say it's the most reliable, but it is very quick. Okay, lots of stutter. Now if we disable ads, that's better. It still kind of stutters, but the game is still playable for those who have a bit more patience. No Wind Rider. Okay, yes. I can't move. There you go. Disappointing. Oh wow. Look at all that stutter. Phone just cannot handle this game for some reason. Okay, so PUBG doesn't run too bad. Let's see what our graphics are. So everything is the lowest. And so no lag, no stutter. There might be a bit of stutter in certain parts, but for now it runs good. Okay, so not the best gaming phone, but PUBG, it runs fine. Knife Fit, and not the best, but it's pretty good overall. Okay, so the speaker doesn't get the loudest, but at least there's no distortion, but the overall quality doesn't sound the best, but still not the best speaker I've heard. Okay, you've seen this layout in the past. Where are our settings? They're usually right around here, aren't they? Alright, I can't find the camera settings, but just refer to the camera specs I showed in the beginning of the video. So yeah, let's take our first selfie. You can use the... What are these lines? That's weird. Alright. By the way, you can use the fingerprint sensor to take a selfie. Check this out. Cool, right? Okay, now let's go outside. What are these lines? Do you see those lines? Weird. rear facing video on the Figgy Note 11 Pro. Um, Gotta tell you, it doesn't look that good on my end. The quality looks bad, there's stutter. Um, for 120 bucks, it's pretty disappointing. Front facing video on the Figgy Note 11. Um, so same as the rear video more or less. Only difference is we have this weird issue where these random lines start appearing like you saw before. And okay, right now it doesn't happen, but it did before. So I don't know. It's pretty disappointing. I'm gonna try in updating the phone because we got an update. I'm gonna see if that fixes the problem. Okay, after updating those weird lines. Oh, there. Oh, there it is. Damn. But it happens a lot less. Um, I don't know. Cause I gotta sell these phones later, so I gotta hope no one ever notices about this issue. Um, so yeah. But it doesn't fix the video quality, which does look pretty bad on my end. Okay, that is pretty much it. So should you buy this phone? And I'm gonna say, not really. It's a good phone. It performs decently, but for $120, you can get something way better, like the UMIDIGI A9 Pro. Like it's the same price and it's 100 times better. So like, there's not really any reason to buy this phone. But if you do have this phone for some reason, or you're able to get it cheaper, then you aren't gonna be disappointed, except for gaming performance and the camera. Like, so it doesn't have that weird. Okay, that's the weird issue with the lines, but it's not really that consistent. Like, it's only really gonna bother you if you take a lot of selfie video, but for most people, including myself, that is not the case. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.